Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find hidden chats here on Snapchat. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead over to the chat section. All right, and once done, you gotta want to go ahead and tap and hold on the message where you want it to hide, for example. Tap and hold, and then tap on chat and notification settings. All right, just tap on it and tap on clear from chat feed. Clear. Once done, it's gone. Now to find it, just easily tap on the magnifying icon right here beside your profile or your story. Tap on it and look for the person. There you go. Just going to tap on it once more and you can now easily chat and recover the chats from here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.